This is the alleyway we walk all the time. This is the alleyway that we walk to the tea house, and I can see the tea house just in front of me. It's been 4 years since I was last back, and I'm now on my way to see the sisters, and I'm actually feeling really nervous. But yeah, I'm finally home.
Attention please, this is the final call of Thai Airways International, Malaysia Airlines.
Tới cha là, tới cha là.
Welcome to Huā Xī. This is my home. I'm so happy that I'm finally back to this view, to the smell. I know I talk about home all the time. This is home for me. This is home. It smells like home and it feels like home. It looks like home. And every time when I come back, it doesn't count as I come back until I finally land here by this very river. Because when I was a kid, I used to swim in this river from the downstream all the way up, coming back. So Huā Xī is the place I was born and I was raised. Maybe one day you can come visit and I will show you around. It feels a little bit weird to come back. It still smells this river. I can't describe it. It's slightly, you can smell this like seaweedy, very, very slightly. I used to just jump from here right into the water. It's very, very, very cold. Everything is a little bit different, but and yet a lot of things still the same. It feels a bit weird. The water, I have to say, has always been so clear. And it always has this color, a chin color, the color between blue and green. Hence the name Huā Xī. Huā means floral, Xī is a water stream, a very poetic name. I can't believe it's been 4 years. It's such a long time. It's last time, this before pandemic, I was doing all of this with the team in London. We're doing all of this, and actually, thanks to the pandemic, we found a way to move the packing and move the story back to where everything started, which is the Master's Tea House, and this is where we're at now. It just feels so good to be back at home and to be back with the sisters, Zhang Mei, Luo Mei, Li Jie, and to be back with them, to be working together. And this is actually the first time since the pandemic we moved the packaging, the shipping back to the tea house. This is the first time I'm back with them, so it just feels so special and very, very heartwarming. So yeah. So now we're just packing all different sort of teas for them. Zhang Mei is doing oolong tea. I'm writing white tea. They now know more than I do. They're writing an example. Wow, you see, they now can write English like without even checking. In the beginning, they had to check what is spring, what is summer, what is autumn, and now they're just like so fast and write it. And yeah, 可以，太专业了。
反正找到线，专业网找到线。
好，来，照你的写。So this is what happens in the tea house. We pack some tea, we drink some tea, and we pack some more, and then drink some more. So now I'm in the role of brewing some tea for them because they said they're thirsty, and also it's cold. So I'm brewing some warming tea, Master's Red with cherry blossom. It's in season since there's cherry blossom outside. So we are pouring some tea for them. A lot of things have changed, you know. China is going very fast. So each time when I come back, there are places that I don't recognize. You know, now there's metro and there's new roads. There's a lot of new buildings. There's a lot of old buildings being renewed. I think it's very, very important to be reminded, just like nature, it's changing all the time. You know, like making tea. You know, when we make tea, we always make sure the very intention of making tea is to be in harmony with nature. And the nature of nature is change. I can already see the change happening every day. It's so obvious, the new leaves shooting up, the blossoming. So I don't think it will take long until we go to the mountains to be with the wild ancient tea trees, to be with the tea masters. So next time when we have a tea together, we will be with them, and I really can't wait. I know you can't wait either. So I see you next time. Bye!